You have multiple pages on Word document and would like to have some pages on landscape and some pages on portrait orientation, then this video is gonna be helpful. Let's dive with dummy content. I have already added some content here. I have 8 pages altogether and all are on portrait orientation. Let me add a table somewhere here. Let's say somewhere here, just a basic table. Insert table, table, and some heading here. Let's say serial number. Let's say heading 1, heading 2, full, eight, and heading 9. Don't rely on this is just dummy content. This is a big table. I would better prefer to have on landscape orientation, then content will fit in, but other remaining pages after this table same on portrait orientation. So can we make one page landscape and other portrait in same document? The answer is of course yes. That's why we are on this video. Let's jump in how. Let me add a header here as well. Table HADER header, the title of this table. So as I explained before, I want this much content on landscape orientation because the table will fit better, and other on the portrait orientation. So I just put the cursor here before this table header because from this I'm going to apply landscape orientation up to the end of the table. So I place the cursor there where you want to break the orientation, and from the layout you can see break option. If you click on drop down, there is a section break and next page. You can see the content move to next page, and if you scroll down, all pages are on portrait orientation at the moment. You can stay anywhere on this page, and then after just from the same layout menu orientation and click on landscape. The content above are on portrait orientation, but this one on landscape. But if you see the other pages after this table, all are on landscape, but we don't want on this way. So from here we want to break again, break section from here. So I put the cursor here, break and section break next page, and from here we want to apply landscape. So I click on the layout menu, orientation and portrait. Now you can see this table on landscape orientation. So you can increase or decrease its height. You can better fit the content, and other pages are on portrait. In this way, by applying section break and selecting orientation, we can have one landscape and all other pages portrait, or multiple landscape and multiple portrait pages. Hope this video is helpful. Thanks.